Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to film in inverted mode on TikTok. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow. The inverted mode on TikTok basically flips your image and shows the reflection of the footage rather than the footage itself. Now let me show you how to do this. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. Then search for inverted. Select the inverted effect under the effects section. Now go through some of these videos which other users have posted and you'll get an idea of how to film an inverted video. Once you're happy, go back to the page and tap on try this effect. Now tap on record and the recording will start. To invert your camera view, tap on the screen and it'll invert the camera view. You can tap as many times as you want. I would suggest choosing a song so you can tap the invert effect on the beat, which will then make your TikTok videos more interesting to watch. And there you go, that is how to film your TikTok videos in inverted mode. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.